Let's see how to lock an folder in Windows 11. You need to create a system unlock file. Now go to text document. This code is available in video description or pinned comments. Now you can change your password name. I replaced the password with my personal favorite number and text. Now we can save this document as lock.bat extension. Now delete the text document. Now double-click on the system lock file, then a private folder is created automatically. Now you need to move your folder or any document to private folder. Now double-click on the lock file. Now you can see if you have locked a folder, then press Y. Now press Enter button from keyboard. Now your file is locked and it is invisible. Now if you access your document, open a locked file and enter your password.